You need the keys for that.
Watch till the end on how Agent's new car starts up.
Let me see the key. 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 Hold on. Let me see the key. That's the key. Hold it. All right. It's on, but it's electric. Click that finish line on the left. On the left of the steering wheel.
This one?
Yep.
What that mean?
Oh, turn on. It's not on. You gotta hold it, I guess.
What that mean? I gotta hold this? How the fuck do you work this shit?
Nah, hold the brake. Hey, that's tough. I can't get tired of that. I can't get tired.